If you want to speed up and optimize OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the phone manager, and then over here after a couple of seconds you should be able to have this optimize button, which is a pretty simple way to optimize your phone as the name suggests. It doesn't take long to actually run this optimization feature, and you can also find some recommended optimization options as well that you can use too. For example, we can find the system boost, which is pretty great as well. In case you missed it, you can also just find it in the main menu of the phone manager. So you can go over here and you can speed up your phone with the system boost over here by, for example, closing some running apps that are running in the background and some other stuff as well, depending what is actually going on with your phone at a given moment. Besides that, remember to go to the recent apps or the background apps from time to time, and then over here you can just swipe up or close everything. You just want to make sure that you don't have a bunch of apps open and running in the background. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to settings. In here in settings you should be able to find the system and update. And then in here we can find recommended services. So if you don't have the phone manager app, then you can enable phone manager services in this place. Also, you can go to about device, tap on RAM over here, and you can make sure that you have RAM expansion enabled, and you can adjust the expansion and add up to 8 GB of additional RAM. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.